Hi everybody, it is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make this mosaic Star of David. It was in the most recent Artza Box that I received from Israel. I've never done mosaics before, so you'll have to bear with me while I learn the process. There are instructions on the back of the box. I haven't even cut open the package yet, so this will be an experience doing it first time on camera. Let's go ahead and look at the contents of the kit. I hope everybody is doing well and that you want to get crafty. This kit is still available in the Artza Box, and I will leave a link down below. So this is the cement, which I am going to put aside because that's going to be the very last step. Here are the mosaics. This is a little sponge. I'm going to put that aside. This is what we're going to be making. And this is my backer board. So what I have to do is glue this onto the backer board, just like that. So they did give me some white glue. And I'm going to go ahead and use mine so I don't have to open up a fresh glue. I'm just going, it's the same thing, it's school glue. I might have added a little bit too much. Not a problem. I can actually, I'm already running into pitfalls. I can actually put some back in here. Just a little bit. I have a cheap paintbrush and I'm just going to spread it around. Getting off to a rough start already, and I haven't even started laying the mosaics. Not good. And if it looks as nice as the picture, we're in business. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on just like so. It's perfect. Perfect size. And while we do that, let's look at these tiles right here. It comes in a bag just like so. Oops. Oh, these are really pretty. Let me show you the tiles up close. Aren't those really pretty? Beautiful. I'm going to put some here in a little ashtray I have. And the next step is, it says work in sections. That's what I'm going to do. You spread a layer of glue over the small area of the template and begin placing in tiles according to the pattern. And I could cut any of these with the aid of scissors or nippers. Okay. So I think I am going to start in the corner. Now I'm going to use this picture as a guide. This is going to be my guide. I'm not, I can deviate from it, but I like the color selection here. So I'm most likely going to follow that. I might make a little, see, like this section would look like this. I didn't realize how sandy everything would be. So I'm going to get busy with this and sit down first of all. My cat is sitting in my chair, of course. So I am going to sit on the edge of my chair because I don't want to disturb him. Okay, yeah, he's a good cat. If you've seen any of my videos, my cat is named Levi. And he's a rescue cat. And I absolutely love my little Levi. Now, I'm not going to pour. I'm going to use this and work in sections. So it's really easy. You just lay down the glue and place. Very easy, right? Well, let's see how easy it is when I have to cut, because that's where I'm a little hesitant. There are some cut pieces, you see right there, those are cut pieces, and I am not absolutely sure if my scissors are going to do that. But let's see what happens if I try to cut a piece. It broke. Okay, it has to be a better way. Let me try again, because I don't want these tiles to be breaking all over. Okay, so if you cut it, at least my experience just now, I only got one piece out of a tile, and it's not exactly straight. So I'm wondering if my husband has a better cutting tool, or if I can think of a better way to do this. I would like to cut before I start gluing. That's really, to me, ideal. So what I am going to do is find a different blade, and I will be back. Okay, I am back. So I went to my husband, I explained my problem, and he tried it with this pair of wire cutters, and it works. So what I suggest is taking a pair of wire cutters. Now he did the first couple with me, and cutting the pieces that you need just like that. Hope you can see that. And I'm gonna cut it, squeeze, and I'm getting the pieces that I need. That one might be a little bit too thin, so let me try another one. But I suggest cutting these in advance, and that way you have them for the mosaic. And it's working. So I am gonna go ahead and get back to the gluing. You can use the glue that was provided. I'm just gonna use my glue because it's the same thing. It's the same type of white glue. Because once you open the glues, you know, you should use it within a reasonable time frame. And it's actually very simple. I'm seeing, I thought I was gonna have trouble with this, but I'm not. I can't say that I am the best, like I said, I've never done mosaics before. This is all new to me. And I think I'm doing it correctly. I'm sure I will find out, but I'm going to work in sections, and I will come back and show you the progress when this is getting final, because I don't know if you actually want to see me sit and do this whole thing. guys, I am back. This is my finished creation after applying the cement mixture, rubbing it on and then wiping it off. It didn't come out perfectly, but that's okay. This is my first time doing mosaics, and I kind of like the imperfections in this. And for a first time try, I think this came out pretty good. If you're interested in getting this kit, it's in the most recent Artza Box. I will leave the link down below. I do have a 20% off code for your first box, or even off of an annual subscription. You can use it for either or. The last thing I want to tell you though, before attempting to do this craft, you can't use scissors to cut the tile. You need to use a little nipping tool such as this one. I got this from my husband, and this is imperative. You need this to cut the tiles. So this is what I highly recommend you using if you want to attempt any type of mosaic project. And that is it, guys. Time to make another video. I got a little bit of a backlog. So I will see you all in the next one. Hope you're all doing good. Bye.